Let me twist it. Maybe. There you go. There we go.
Too far.
Too far. Okay. I'll get it back.
I got it.
Okay.
I got it right there.
All right.
Just where I can see.
Okay.
The tin part of the solder.
Yeah.
So the solder sticks good.
Yeah. You're going to take the valve off now?
No, loosen it.
Loosen it. All right.
Now what did I do with you? There.
So this isn't too tight right there?
No.
Okay.
With the small end of the cap tube. Oops. Wrong one.
What are you looking for? Oh.
The turning port.
All right. Which one do you want? What size do you want?
1/4 inch.
1/4 inch.